Welcome to our home.
Welcome to our home. We're going to do some science experiments today. So, what's the first thing, Mira? What are we going to try to do?
We're going to try to clean this water.
Yeah. All right. It's pretty gross. She got it out of the ditch. So, okay. So, the first thing we noticed, what happens when we just let it sit still, Mira?
Kind of dirty.
It's dirty up here, but what happens if we leave it for a really long time? What happens? Why did we shake it?
Shake it?
Why did we shake it? Because all the dirt had
come down.
Had gone to the bottom. So that's actually a way to get some of the dirt out, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is to wait for it to settle.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do that. We'll wait a few minutes and see how much of the dirt falls to the bottom, and then we'll take as much of that's cleaner, sort of, off the top, and we'll do our experiments, okay? But while we're waiting for that to happen, how about we get our next filter ready? Okay? So we're gonna move this one very carefully so we don't shake it up out of the way, and we'll bring one of these over to fill up. So we're gonna try to make a filter with stuff we found around the house. So you want to pour that in?
Yep.
Okay, so you pour that in. So there's one layer of our filter. We'll put that one in. It's a little bit thicker. So this is just dirt that we found. We don't have sand or stones or anything. So we're just making layers with what we have. See if it'll work. Pour, pour, pour. Pour, pour, pour. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Seems kind of funny that you'd clean water with dirt, doesn't it, Mira?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pour, pour, all the way. There you go. So there's our second layer. You can see. And here's our third layer.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put those in on top. There you go. So we got 3 layers to pour our water through. Oops, I don't know if you can see it. Try, there you go. Pour our water through to see if we can clean it more after it's settled. So we know when we watch the videos that they let it settle, let stuff fall out of it, and then they pump that cleaner water off, and then they put it through filters. So that's what we're going to try, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. And we're going to okay, first of all, let's look at this. What do you see, Mira? Is the water a little bit lighter? Cleaner? A little bit?
A bit.
Where's the dirt?
On the bottom.
On the bottom. Can you see? See the dirt? So that's good. So when we pour the water out, we want to try to not bring that out, okay? Because we don't have a way to drain this off. So we're going to very, very gently. But we decided to add another step in first, haven't we, Mira? We're going to use some air to shake the water up to maybe get some more dirt out of it before we put it through our filter. So can you very, very gently pour this in without getting that dirt in the bottom, Mira?
Sure.
Very gently. Good job. Do you think it's clean enough to drink yet? Do you think you'd drink that?
Not really.
Not really. Looks pretty gross still, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if you can see, but there's lots of dirt that's come out already that we don't want. So we're going to put that aside. Excuse my arm. Okay, now very gently, because we put a lot in there, Mira. Maybe we should pour some out of it. Come here. Because it's a little full. You did a great job pouring. Don't worry about it. Okay. There, we'll use that much. All right. I want you to blow bubbles. We're gonna shake up the water, put oxygen in it. Whoa! Okay, maybe not such rough bubbles. Keep going, blow. Because this was one of the things we learned about on the video, wasn't it, Mira? That they move the water around, they shake it up, they put air into it to shake some of the dirt out. Okay, you're making a mess. Okay, so we'll wait again and see if any more dirt comes out of it now. And then we'll come back and do our filter. We just wanted to show from this first one to waiting at what the water looked like after we waited for it to settle. We poured a little bit into this glass and that's what it looked like. And now we're just waiting for the air bubbles to clear this one a little bit. But sitting here, it's hard to tell on camera, but even sitting here, this one is already lighter than this one. And all we did was blow bubbles into it and give it time to settle. We'll give it a little bit more time and then we'll move on to our filter that we made. Right, Amiera?
Yeah.
Okay, we're back and we're going to very carefully pour this one into here, right? Very carefully because there's probably some dirt on the bottom that we just can't see because the glass doesn't let us see it very well. Okay, so you try very carefully. We're not sure what this will look like, but we'll try. I'm gonna help you hold it. Pour. If you can leave some in the glass at the bottom. Go, pour, Mira, you're pouring it on my arm. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop. I got a little wet in that experiment.
It's doing it.
It's doing it. So, I don't know if you can see. We're going to leave this just for comparison purposes. Ooh, this one looks dirtier. Maybe our filter is not so great. Maybe it's getting toxins, a different kind of toxins out. I don't know. Looks like our dirt made it dirtier.
Yeah.
But we'll see. We have one more level to try out, haven't we? Looks pretty gross.
Yeah. Really brownish.
Very brownish, yeah. Definitely doesn't look clear. Looks foggier than it was before. So just so you know, we use rocks and dirt and kind of a salt granulation. I think the salt is dissolving into the water.
Yeah.
But we had to use what we had to use and we'll try. It's going to take a little while to go through, but this might not have been the best filter we could have used, Mira. We'll have to see. Oh no. Oh, grab your paper towel. No, there's some right there.
Oh, not.
That's from you pouring it on my arm.
Sorry about that now.
That's all right, Mira. What else does it look like? Looks foggier. Can you tell me the differences? This one you can kind of see through it.
Yeah, that's light brown.
Yeah, it's brown. It's not the same, is it?
No, so different.
Yeah, it's very different. I don't think we went the right direction though. But you know what?
What?
That's what experiments are for.
Yeah.
To try. We
Try
have
new
another.
things.
Try new things. We have another filter we can try. It's not quite the same.
It's different.
It's different. We'll come back when it's done. We just wanted to show you what we could see inside. What do you see, Mira?
Okay, of salt.
There's like a swirl of salt from the salt in our filter. We noticed something else, didn't we, Mira?
Yeah.
Along the edge of the water where the rocks are. What else? I don't know if I can do this. Show her what you see. Oh, you gotta move this way on the other side. Can you see in the camera?
So,
Yeah, there's all this sludge along the top where the water that can be skimmed off the top now that we didn't have before, which is interesting, right?
yep.
So after our filter, this is what we got. I'm gonna pick it up and show them carefully so it doesn't mix up. It's kind of gross. It's actually dirtier. But if you look on an angle, you can see the dirt from the filter. Hold it just like that, Mira, and I'll point for you. Oops. See, the dirt from the filter is falling to the bottom again, and we're leaving with whatever's in here, which is dirtier than the original, but it seems like it's a different dirty. So we're gonna try to take this, and we're gonna probably take some of the original settled water and pour it through our next filter and see what we get. Right?
Yep.
Okay, so you hold that one, and the next filter, hold that over here. We'll tell her what that's about. What's in here? You remember? It's a carbon filter. See? It's a carbon filter. And we have a second one. Sadie, can I have that square one? Nope. Yeah. That has a double layer filter that we can't fit in the bottle, but that we're going to hold. I'm going to hold on top so Amir can pour through it. So it's a double filter, and we're going to try to see. Yep, we're going to see if we can get it through and see what happens. So you're going to pour it right in the middle, but on top of the white mirror, gently, because it might spill. This one's going to be an experiment. Okay, very gently. Over top of the jar, mirror. Can you do it? Try. Whoa! Okay, that didn't work. Okay, that's a no-go. We'll just try the one we have. Try it, pouring it in that. Again, it's gonna have to be gentle, Mira. It might fall through. Don't pour the dirt in, okay? Keep going. Okay, stop. So show all the dirt. See all the dirt we got out? Whoa!
Oh
I
God.
just poured it out all over the place. Dirt! There was dirt in there. But that could be, well, no, that is definitely from our filter.
Mom, it
So-
worked.
But it got lighter. Should we try it again?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna have to get another glass because we've run out of glasses. Hold that thought. We'll be back. Okay, go.
This is not better.
This one's not better. What happened? What shouldn't we have done?
It's not done that.
That, she can't see that. You have to tell her what it is. The rock and dirt filter.
Not gonna do it soon.
Yeah, we shouldn't have done that filter. It didn't work very well, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this one helped a little bit.
Yep.
So what if we took this filter and filtered the water that we blew bubbles in to see how clean it gets? Okay? So, because this one, that one was a fail. But this filter definitely helped.
Mm-hmm.
So, let's try. You pour the cleaner water into it.
Yeah.
And I'll hold it for you. Don't put the dirt in.
Not doing it.
There is. Look.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
More dirt settled out. I don't know if you can see. More dirt settled out. Anyway. So, it's still not clean enough to drink, but it's way cleaner than original, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So, do you think they have to work pretty hard to clean our water at the treatment plant?
Yep.
I think they have way better skills too.
Yep.
Okay, well, we'll keep playing and we'll let you know if we get any better solutions. Okay, we had an idea and we changed it up a little bit. So bear with us. So here we are. We got 3 filters and we took this filter, which is a clean spot of it, and we took the white layer off and we put it in the lining of the
Cap.
and we put the carbon pieces like this, there's a whole bunch of them, in on top of the white liner. And we're hoping that this will work better. So we're kind of combining both the rock filter and the carbon filter, right? To see if we can make this water clean. Are you ready, Amiera?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, here, let's get this out so we can see your face. Hello. Or are you going to go on that side?
Yeah.
Okay, you go on that side, and I'll try to keep you in. Okay. And so, I don't know if you can see, there's carbon in the bottom, and there's a liner in there so the carbon doesn't come through. We have a hole in the bottom of our thing to let the water through. And Amiera's going to pour. Hopefully this works gently so that that dirt doesn't come out. Okay, Amiera? Pour hard. Pour. Okay, stop. Let it go through.
It worked.
It's going. It's going to take some time, though.
What?
Look at the water is cleaner. I don't know if I drink it yet, but it's definitely cleaner.
Yep.
Hold on. We just got to let it get through the layers. Might need to go through a few times before it would be drinkable, but we're getting closer. Right, Amiera?
Yep.
There's definitely no dirt in it.
Mm-hmm.
This is why we experiment, right?
Yep.
Are you having fun?
Yes, Mom. Yes.
Okay. Okay, do you want to try to pour some more? We got a little bit of room. You're gonna have to pour fast so it doesn't pour down this side. Go. Okay. Whoa, we're losing half of our experiment water. Oops.
I just think now. It's getting better than that, Mom.
It's getting better. Definitely getting cleaner. Okay, it is working. It takes a little time, right? What do we need to do these experiments? What do we need to do these experiments? Can you tell Mrs. Real what we need? Do you remember what we were talking about? To be a good scientist, you need?
Patience.
Patience, yes. Okay, we'll be back and we get all this poured through. Okay, Amiera, so how do you feel about that one? Did that one work better?
Yep.
Yeah? It's cleaner.
Yep.
Where you think you'll drink it?
Not really.
Not really, me neither. But should we try to add a little bit more of this carbon?
Yeah.
And another couple filters and see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try and we'll get back to you, Mrs. Real. Hold on. Okay, so we still have the same amount of filters, right? But we've added a thin one of this kind of material in between here. And we've added some more charcoal, right?
Charcoal, yeah.
Yeah, the little beads of charcoal. So maybe we can get it cleaner. This is what we're starting at. See how we can do. And just for the record, what happens every time we change glasses, Amiera? What do we see in the bottom?
Dirt.
Every single time we've poured out of one glass, we get more and more really fine dirt coming out of it. So we're doing good. It's a process, right?
Yep.
It's a process. Okay, so you want to pour and I'll hold the glass?
Yep.
Okay. Whoosh, something happened.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know. The charcoal's coming out. Maybe it's gotten too wet. Pour. It's not pour. All of it. Go. There you go. Don't know if it's any cleaner. I don't know that we got it any better. It might be, but these ones let the water through really fast this time.
Yeah.
So maybe because they were wet, they were stopped working. Maybe we needed new filters.
Yep.
I don't know. Anyway, let's see where we came from, okay? Hold on, we'll show you all of our finished product.
We're back.
We're back. So these are our final results, right?
Right.
Where's this? Well, this was what we
Started.
This is what we started with, this black grudgy thing. And this was our kind of failed attempt with our
That stuff.
filter. This
Something a little better.
was a little better. This was just letting the water
Settle.
settle. But we still had some, what's inside there, Amiera? Right on the top.
Little.
Yeah,
Settle.
big.
What?
What are those? Are they little
What?
chunks or are they big chunks?
Small one.
Big chunks. Look.
Oh yeah, small. Big.
We'll show you. I don't know if you can see. There's still big chunks floating around on the top of that one.
Yeah.
So that was just, this one was just letting the dirt settle. And then this one, which I don't know if you can tell, but it is cleaner, was using the carbon
Filter.
filters, right? And the carbon stones
Yeah.
to clean it out, right?
Yeah, right.
So we did okay.
Mhm.
Would you drink this yet?
Not really.
Yeah, me neither. But what did we determine? That the guys who clean our water, they have
Hard work.
hard work to do. So that's the end of our experiment. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.